Welcome to the world of Tata Motors, where we are driven by innovation, performance, and sustainability. Our commitment to creating world-class vehicles is unwavering, and we are proud to showcase our latest offerings. Our showrooms are a testament to our commitment to excellence, where we provide our customers with a unique and personalized experience. Our team of experts is always on hand to guide you through our extensive range of vehicles and help you find the perfect match. From compact hatchbacks to luxurious sedans, we have a vehicle to suit every need and budget. Our cars are designed and engineered to deliver exceptional performance, comfort, and safety. Behind every Tata Motors car is a team of dedicated engineers and designers who work tirelessly to ensure that our vehicles meet the highest standards of quality and safety. Our state-of-the-art facilities and advanced technology enable us to deliver innovative solutions that push the boundaries of what's possible. But it's not just about the technology and performance. At Tata Motors, we believe that the driving experience should be enjoyable and memorable. That's why we put the needs of our customers at the heart of everything we do, to create cars that are not just functional, but also fun to drive. We are also committed to creating a sustainable future. And we have a range of eco-friendly vehicles that are designed to minimize our impact on the environment. From electric vehicles to hybrid models, we are constantly innovating to make our vehicles more efficient and sustainable. At Tata Motors, our mission is to provide our customers with the best possible driving experience, whether they are navigating busy city streets or exploring the great outdoors. We are committed to excellence, innovation, and sustainability, and we invite you to experience the world of Tata Motors for yourself. Tata Motors, connecting aspiration, driving tomorrow.